Hi, my dear learners. Welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start exploring. Let's start learning. This is Sukriti Joshi, and CBSE results are out, right? So for class 10th, also the CBSE results are out. If you want me to give you the link, if you want me to provide you with the link so that you can, just go and click on that link. You have 3 links, right? So you can click on any link. If the first link is not opening, you can click on the second link. If the second link is not opening, you can go onto the third one, right? So I wish you all the best, all the very best for your future endeavors. You have, plenty of time to work on yourself, to work on your personality. You are right now in class 10th, in standard 10th. So don't take so much of stress. Don't take so much of, don't, panic if you have not got no marks in a certain subject. For English, definitely you should be able to get marks because I have taught you. So for 10th and 12th, there's no excuse. For 10th, 11th, and 12th, there is no excuse because I have taught you and you should be able to get above 95, right? Even above 90, it is okay. But below 90, no, not acceptable, right? But still, if you have got, don't worry, stay calm, stay cool. You have plenty of time to work on yourself. You have got 11, you have got 12. In 12, you need to be serious. Take that pledge that you need to be serious in class 12, right? And you will definitely do a brilliant, fabulous job in standard 12. And I know my children must have done very well. I'm like, I know for 12s, I definitely can say that they must have done a brilliant job. For 10s also, I can definitely say that they must have done a brilliant job. And keep sending me. For 10s, I have not received, right now, I have not received any message. So 10s, kindly DM me so that I also come to know, right? What your how much marks have you obtained for 12s? Children have been messaging me. They have been in in touch, right? So 10th, kindly let me know what your result is like. How much did you score in English, and how much did you score in totality, right? So and be happy. When you're checking the result, be happy. I know you must have scored very well, especially in English, because I have taught you. So there cannot be any doubt, right? This is Sukriti Joshi on that note. All the best from my side. Keep doing well, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing. Right? Let's all keep exploring, let's all keep learning, let's all keep growing together. Right? So this on that note, I would take your leave. This is Sukriti Joshi signing off. And all the very best for your future endeavors.